How to make money with NFTs for beginners. Please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, like and subscribe. In recent years, a new and exciting trend has emerged in the digital world called NFTs, which stands for Non-Fungible Tokens. NFTs have opened up a whole new realm of opportunities for artists, creators, and investors alike to make money in the digital space. If you're a beginner intrigued by this concept but unsure where to start, this guide is for you. We'll walk you through the basics of NFTs and how you can potentially make money with them. What are NFTs? NFTs are unique digital assets representing ownership or proof of authenticity of a specific item or piece of content. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, each NFT is one of a kind and cannot be exchanged on a one-on-one basis. Think of it as a digital certificate of ownership for a particular digital item, such as artwork, music, videos, virtual real estate, collectibles, and more. How to make money with NFTs. 1. Creating and selling NFTs. For artists, musicians, writers, or any digital content creator, NFTs provide a chance to monetize their work in an entirely new way. To get started, you'll need to follow these steps. A. Choose an NFT platform. Several NFT marketplaces exist, each with its own requirements and fee structures. Popular platforms include OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation. B. Create your digital content. Develop a unique and high-quality digital item, such as digital artwork, music track, or any other creative piece. C. Convert your content into an NFT. Mint your digital asset on the chosen NFT platform, which essentially means turning it into a unique token on the blockchain. D. Set a price and list your NFT. Decide on the price you want to sell your NFT for and list it on the marketplace. E. Promote your NFT. Use social media, online communities, and your existing fan base to market your NFT and increase its visibility. Investing in NFTs. As with any investment, there's potential for both profit and risk when dealing with NFTs. Some NFTs can appreciate significantly in value over time, while others may lose value. Here are some tips for investing in NFTs as a beginner. A. Do your research. Before investing in any NFT, thoroughly research the project, the creators, and the demand for similar NFTs in the market. B. Stick to your budget. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, but never invest more than you can afford to lose. C. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investment across different types of NFTs to mitigate risks. D. Consider blue-chip NFTs. Blue-chip NFTs refer to high-profile and highly sought-after NFTs. While they can be expensive, they often have a more stable value. 1. Gaming and virtual real estate. Another way to make money with NFTs is by getting involved in the gaming and virtual real estate space. Some blockchain-based games allow players to own and trade unique in-game assets as NFTs. Additionally, virtual real estate platforms enable users to buy, sell, and monetize digital properties. 1. Participating in NFT drops and auctions. NFT drops and auctions are events where creators or brands release a limited number of exclusive NFTs to the public. These events often generate a lot of excitement and can lead to substantial profits if you're lucky enough to acquire a valuable NFT. To participate in NFT drops and auctions. A. Keep an eye on announcements. Follow NFT creators, platforms, and influencers on social media to stay informed about upcoming drops and auctions. B. Be prepared. Some drops happen spontaneously, while others are announced in advance. Make sure you have an account on the relevant NFT marketplace and enough cryptocurrency, usually Ethereum, in your wallet to make a purchase. C. Join communities. Many NFT projects have dedicated online communities where they share updates and conduct giveaways. Being part of these communities can provide early access to exclusive NFT opportunities. 1. NFT farming and staking. Similar to cryptocurrency staking and farming, some NFT projects offer the ability to earn passive income through NFT farming and staking. This involves holding or staking specific NFTs within a platform's ecosystem to earn rewards, tokens, or a share of the project's revenue. To engage in NFT farming and staking. A. Identify projects with farming and staking mechanisms. Look for NFT projects that offer these features, and do your due diligence to ensure they are legitimate and well supported. B. Understand the risks and rewards. Evaluate the potential rewards and risks associated with farming and staking in each project. Be aware that rewards are often subject to changes in the platform's rules and token economics. 1. NFT collaborations and partnerships. Collaborating with other creators or brands to create unique NFTs can be an effective way to expand your audience and increase your chances of making sales. Cross-promoting each other's work can lead to a mutually beneficial relationship, boosting visibility and revenue for all parties involved. To form NFT collaborations and partnerships. A. Find compatible creators or brands. Look for artists, musicians, or content creators with a similar target audience or style to yours. Reach out to them with your proposal for a joint NFT project. B. Define the terms. Clearly outline the terms of the collaboration, including revenue sharing, promotional efforts, and ownership rights of the NFTs. 1. NFT education and consultation. If you possess in-depth knowledge about NFTs and the blockchain space, you can offer educational courses or consulting services to individuals and businesses looking to understand and navigate the NFT market better. To start offering NFT education and consultation. A. Build your expertise. Stay updated on the latest trends, best practices, and developments in the NFT industry. B. Create educational materials. Develop guides, tutorials, and webinars that cater to beginners interested in NFTs. C. Market your services. Utilize social media, networking events, and online platforms to promote your expertise and attract potential clients. Making money with NFTs is an exciting journey that combines creativity, technology, and investment opportunities. Whether you're an artist seeking to monetize your work, an investor looking for new ventures, or simply curious about the world of digital ownership, NFTs offer numerous possibilities. Remember that the NFT space is still relatively new and can be unpredictable, so always approach it with caution and do your research before diving in. Stay informed about the latest trends, be open to learning, and be prepared to adapt to changes in the industry. Are NFTs a game changer, or is it a new passing fad? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. For more information on NFTs, Bitcoin, and all things cryptocurrency, please click the link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. Happy investing!